In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Power BI reports in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll have your live Power BI report showing right inside a slide, so you can present up-to-date insights without jumping between apps. First, you need the link to your Power BI report. Open your report in Power BI and look toward the top right of the screen. Click Share, then choose Copy Link. This grabs a secure link to the report and places it on your clipboard. Think of it as the address PowerPoint will use to pull your visuals into the slide. If you work with sensitive data, remember that the link respects your organization's permissions. Only people who already have access to the report will be able to view it when you present or share the deck. With the link copied, switch over to your PowerPoint presentation and open the slide where you want the report to appear. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the options there, select Power BI. PowerPoint will add a Power BI element onto your slide. This acts like a window that can display your report directly from the service. It's designed to be live and interactive, so what you're showing reflects the most current data your report has. Next, paste the link you copied from Power BI into the Elements link field. As soon as you paste, the report should load and appear in your slide. Give it a moment, especially if your report is large or contains multiple pages. If it doesn't show up right away, double-check that you pasted the full link and that there aren't any extra spaces. Also, confirm you're logged in with your work account in both PowerPoint and Power BI, since this feature is tied to organizational access. A quick note on access. You need to be signed in with a work account to use these features. If you're prompted to sign in, use your organization's credentials and make sure your account has permission to view the report you're trying to embed. If you don't have permission, the element won't be able to display the content, even if the link is correct. That's all there is to it. You copied the link from your Power BI report, opened your PowerPoint deck, went to Insert, selected Power BI, pasted the link, and watched the report appear on your slide. This simple flow keeps your presentations connected to live data, so your audience always sees the latest numbers. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.